first we will make Monaco Delight treats. For that we need salt and black pepper, Monaco biscuits, cheese slice, chopped tomato, corn, chopped onion, some chutneys, mayonnaise. So first we will take one Monaco biscuit. Now we will keep this on the Monaco biscuit and then put some salt and some black pepper. Now we will take some chopped vegetables and corn. Now we would take one more Monaco biscuit and keep it here. Take some green chutney. Now we will take some chaat chutney and some white garlic mayonnaise. Now we would spread this. Now we will keep this on this, and our Monaco Delight treats is ready. This is the salty one. Now we will make the sweet one. So now we will make the sweet Monaco Delights. Now for that, first we will take some Monaco biscuits and then we will pour some Hershey's chocolate syrup. Now we would spread it. The chocolate sauce is spread. Now we would take some fruits. Like I am taking pomegranate and grapes. Now we will take some more Hershey's chocolate syrup and now like this, from the other Monaco biscuit we will close this, and now we will garnish this like this. So our sweet Monaco Delight treat is ready. So these are our Monaco treat delights. They look very tempting, and this is the salty one, this is the sweet one. These are very healthy as they have seasonal fruits and vegetables. So now let's make the next one. Now we are going to make Chatpati chaat. For this we need some soya katori, chopped vegetables, chutneys, kurkure, some curd and some pomegranate with some salt and black pepper. So now first we will take some curd and put it in the bowl like this. Now we will take some soya katori and put it in this. Now we will take a little kurkure. Now let's mix it first. Now we will take some chaat masala. Now we will add some green chutney. And now we will take some chaat chutney. Now we will put some vegetables in it. putting corn, chopped tomato and onion. You can put your favorite vegetable. Now after mixing this, we will put some salt. I would recommend you to wear an apron and wash your hands before making any meal. And yes, now we will mix this also, and yes, our delicious chaat is ready. Now we will garnish this with some pomegranate. And yes, finally this is ready. So now we need some powdered Parle-G biscuits and Oreo powder, some Oreo separated cream, milk, dairy milk buttons, cream, cocoa powder, Hershey syrup, some fruits and vanilla ice cream. We are going to make Oreo balls, and we also need some wafers for garnishing. Hershey syrup is also required. Now we will mix the Parle-G and Oreo biscuits. Take some milk in our hands, and then like this we would start making balls. So now we have made the small cherry chocolate topping for that. Now here we have mixed some milk and that powder. We will add some cocoa powder to it first. Now for thicker consistency, we need some fresh cream. Now let's mix it. Now from the cream which we obtained from the Oreo biscuits, we have made small balls of them. And now the mixture we have prepared is ready. We have added some Amul fresh cream in this mixture also, and then we will coat it with it. So like this. Now we have coated it like this. Now we will take some ice cream and put it like this on it. I did not take chocolate ice cream because it will be too chocolatey, but it's your choice that how you have to make it. Now we have coated it like this. Now we will take some fruits and like break them and then decorate them. And for the final touch, we will take some Cadbury buttons and place it like this. So this is a chocolatey and yummy Oreo balls, but for adding a bit more taste, I'm adding some wafers over here like this. It will also give some crunchy taste to your Oreo balls, which is delicious. अब हम इसे फ्रीज़ होने रखेंगे. इसे 10 से 15 मिनट फ्रीज़ कीजिए और आपके डिलीशियस ओरियो बॉल्स रेडी हैं. फ्रीज होने के बाद ये कुछ ऐसे दिखते हैं. And now your Oreo balls are ready to eat. So these are our starters, Monaco Delight treats. This is our masaledar chatpati chaat. This is our chocolate Oreo balls. These all are yummy and healthy. I am Lakshita Narang, 7th C, roll number 18, APJ School, Pitampura in Devotion House, and this was my activity for flameless cooking. Thank you so much. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure you like and share this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I would see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.